Why invest? Your money should work for you. Imagine the possibilities if every dollar you earned had the potential to grow and multiply. This is the essence of investing. It's not just about saving money. It's about making your money work as hard as you do. You work hard for your money. Don't you want your money to work hard for you? By investing, you can put your money to work, creating opportunities for it to grow over time. This can lead to financial security and the ability to achieve your dreams. That's what investing is all about. It's about making your money grow. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles, the goal is to increase your wealth over time. This growth can help you achieve long-term financial goals. Investing is the key to building wealth over time. It's a strategy that has been used by successful people for generations. By investing wisely, you can build a financial foundation that supports your lifestyle and future aspirations. Many people just spend the money they earn. They live paycheck to paycheck without thinking about the future. But there's a better way. By investing, you can break this cycle and create a path to financial independence. But smart people make their money work for them. They invest it. They understand that by putting their money into investments, they can generate returns that outpace inflation and grow their wealth. When you invest, you're buying something that you hope will increase in value. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The idea is to purchase assets that will appreciate over time, providing you with a return on your investment. This could be a piece of a company, like stock, which represents ownership in a business. Stocks can provide dividends and capital gains, making them a popular investment choice. A property, like real estate or something else. Real estate can offer rental income and potential appreciation in value, making it a solid investment option. Investing is important because it helps you reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a child's education, or a dream vacation, investing can help you get there faster. It can help you retire comfortably. By building a diversified investment portfolio, you can create a steady stream of income for your retirement years, ensuring you can enjoy your golden years without financial stress. It can help you afford your dream home. Investing can provide the funds needed for a down payment, renovations, or even purchasing a second property. Start investing today and watch your money grow. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future now and reap the benefits of investing. What is investing? Investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. It's a fundamental concept that can help you achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time. Think of it as planting seeds for the future. When you invest, you are essentially planting seeds that you hope will grow into something much bigger and more valuable. Investing is like planting seeds. You start with something small, like a seed, and with time, effort, and the right conditions, it can grow into something substantial. You put your money into something and watch it grow. Just as a seed needs water, sunlight, and care to grow into a healthy plant, your investments need time, attention, and sometimes additional resources to flourish. Just like a seed needs time and care to grow, so does your investment. Patience is key. You may not see immediate results, but over time, with consistent effort, your investments can yield significant returns. There are many different ways to invest your money. The options are vast and varied, each with its own set of risks and rewards. You can buy stocks, which are pieces of companies. When you purchase a stock, you are buying a small part of a company and hoping that the company will do well, increasing the value of your shares. You can buy real estate, which is land or property. Real estate can provide rental income and appreciate in value over time, making it a popular investment choice. You can invest in your own education or business. Investing in yourself can lead to higher earnings and personal growth, which can be incredibly rewarding. No matter how you choose to invest, the goal is the same. The aim is to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. You want your money to make more money. This is the essence of investing, putting your money to work so that it can generate additional income or profit. Investing is essential for building wealth and securing your financial future. Start investing today. The sooner you begin, the more time your investments have to grow and the better off you'll be in the long run. Beyond your paycheck. Investing for long-term wealth. Most people rely on their paycheck to live. They work for money. But what if your money could work for you? That's the power of investing. Investing is about building long-term wealth. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices with your money. It's about letting your money grow over time. Investing helps you achieve financial freedom. It allows you to live life on your terms. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. Exploring your options, stocks, real estate, and more. Investing can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. Understanding different types of investments is crucial to making informed decisions. There are many ways to invest your money. Stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies each offer unique opportunities and challenges. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Stocks can offer high returns, but come with volatility. Real estate provides steady income, but requires significant capital. Cryptocurrencies are speculative, but have potential for massive gains. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes to protect against market fluctuations. Stocks. Buying a stock means owning a piece of a company. You can earn dividends and benefit from price appreciation. Real estate involves buying, owning, and managing properties, provides rental income and potential appreciation. Cryptocurrency, digital currency using cryptography. Highly volatile but offers new ways to transact and store value. Small businesses. Invest in your own or others' businesses. Can be highly rewarding but also risky. Remember, diversification is key. Spread your investments to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify to achieve a balanced and resilient portfolio. Baby steps to big returns, starting safely and smartly. Now, investing can seem complicated, but it really doesn't have to be. Here's how to start safely. First, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for retirement? Maybe buying a house? Next, do your research. Learn about different investment options and understand the risks involved. Then start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it. Finally, think long-term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Patience is key. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You've heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is especially true for investing. Diversification is key to managing risk. It means spreading your money across different types of investments. This way, if one investment performs poorly, you won't lose everything. Diversification helps you protect your money. It reduces the impact of market fluctuations. It's a smart strategy for every investor. Remember, diversification is your friend. Investing is a long-term game. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about patience and persistence. Just like planting a seed, you need to give your investments time to grow. Don't panic if the market goes down. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, the stock market has always gone up over time. Stay committed to your investment plan. Keep learning and growing your knowledge. Patience and persistence are your allies in the investing world. Stay the course, and you will reap the rewards. You don't need to be rich to invest. You just need to start. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Every journey starts with a single step. Take that first step today. Educate yourself about investing. Explore your options. Start small and diversify your investments. Remember, investing is not just about making money. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about achieving your dreams. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Investing is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Stay curious. Read books, articles, and financial news. Talk to financial advisors. Attend seminars and webinars. The world of investing is constantly evolving. There's always something new to learn. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing in your future.